Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we saw some weakness in the markets, kind of hangover from USDA crop report and the improved weather, at least in Brazil. Overnight we got beans up a little bit, corn unchanged, and wheat down a little bit. Seems like each market has its own bit of fundamentals. In the beans, there was reports out of China at a conference that they may increase their imports this year to up to 100 million metric tons. That was maybe offering positive news to the bean market. We also have a little bit drier forecast in Argentina, so it feels like the funds really aren't ready to give up their long soybean and short corn and wheat position just quite yet. We also note that we got the crush report. The October crush should be around 164 million bushels. That's similar to last year, and we're watching the soybean oil stocks and the impact that might have on margins. Funds yesterday, sellers of beans, meal, oil, big sellers of corn. Overnight we had big volume again, and it looks like there is some talk that maybe with the U.S. harvest winding down, cash basis domestically is firming up, and perhaps that could provide a floor in prices, especially in the corn market. Open interest continues to go up in oil, meal, especially corn, and down a little bit in wheat. There is some talk that the algorithm traders are playing futures against options in the grains, which is causing this increase in open interest. So it doesn't have a lot to do with the fundamentals, but it could press the corn and wheat market down and the bean market up as they arbitrage the two. So we'll be watching South American weather. We'll be watching this week's export sales, and we're watching how this money flow affects prices. Still looking at the potential for a good South American crop to lower our bean export, raise our carryout, and push prices even lower than they are now. Corn's got to deal with a big carryout here in the United States, and it's going to be difficult unless we have a weather problem somewhere to eat through that supply. And again, there's just too much wheat in the world. So, as always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trade day.